guys, in today's video we're going to do unboxing of the weighing plates and rod which I got from Amazon. This cost you around 1920 rupees. So I'll just do unboxing and I'll see the first review of what I feel about this product. Now I'll just show you what all the things are there overall. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 into 2, 16 kg for plates you have, and 2 rods are there, this one and this one. So and you will get a good bag. Actually the quality of bag is good. You have a bag and you have gloves and you have a skipping rope and you have I don't know what is this, but for strengthening, and you have lock clips, actually 3 clips you have, and single rod. Actually this rod is good. Locks are good. 3 locks are there. So 1, 2, 3 locks are there. So keep it here. And 1, 4 of it there. So it's good, but a little colder. It's done, but it's really good. They have given a skipping rope also. So now you can see a skipping rope and this one plus 3 locks they have given. And plus there is a gloves, hand gloves, as you can see. Hand gloves of this one. I'll just check this is good. Ready to put this one, this hand. So this part should come here, this side, this portion. So I think this fits perfectly to me. Okay, so I'm almost ready. Yes, so this is good. So you have a bag where you can put all the things together so that you will not miss it. This rod, small rods where you can with the small rod comes with the rubber, so that you can fit this. So this is better. I think you would have to put some oil or a grease because it's like very new and not. So maybe you can add a weight. Care should be taken because these are all like very light. It's not it's in plastic. It's not a iron or any other material. So it's a plastic one. So you just need to be very careful with this, so where you can lock. how this works.